We all use earphones in our day-to-day life. Now that may be Bluetooth or wired, that totally depends on personal choice. But whenever we go to buy a new pair of earphones, we are presented with so many options that we get lost. So what I decided to do is compare 3 different types of earphones. 1 Bluetooth earphones, 2 stock earphones that you get with smartphones, 3 premium wired earphones. We will be comparing them on the basis of price, noise cancellation, design and how much sound is being produced outside. These are the Huawei Bluetooth Sport headphones Lite. The design in my opinion is very weird. Yes, I know they are made for sports and they don't fall off when you're doing physical activities, but that's only when you find these comfortable to use. So it gets no points in terms of design. Coming over to the price, you can pick one of these brand new for around 180 Saudi Riyal or $50. Not too cheap, but neither too expensive. They have amazing noise cancellation and one of the key factors is the design. You can literally not hear anything from your surroundings. And coming over to sound produced on the outside is near to zero. The person sitting next to you will have no idea of what you're hearing. In terms of all these factors, I can give the Huawei Sport a rating of 3 out of 4. The stock earphones you get in almost every smartphone box are one of the cheapest earphones you can find. The earphones that I have here came in with my Huawei Y7, and in terms of design they are fine, not the best but gets the job done. Unless you're doing something like jogging, they fall off pretty often. Coming over the price, you get these earphones generally for free if you buy a smartphone, but you can pick one of these for around 50 Saudi Riyal or $12 to $13. In terms of noise cancellation, they are not good unless you blast your music in full volume, which is not good for your ears. You can clearly hear your surroundings. And the sound produced outside is pretty high. The person sitting next to you can clearly hear whatever is playing in those earphones. So I'm going to rate them a 2 out of 4. Coming over to the premium earphones we have today, these are the Monster AM17 or AM17. The design is kind of weird. They are an in-ear type of earphones and they basically cover your entire ear. That's an effective design, but they don't fit to everyone. If they fit you, they fit perfectly, and if they don't, they are going to fall every 2 to 3 minutes. Coming over to the price, you can pick up one of these bad boys for around 250 to 300 Saudi Riyal or $70 to $80, and that's a lot of money. Their noise cancellation is better than the stock earphones, but nothing like the Huawei Sport. When hearing music on a decent volume, you can barely hear your surroundings. Sound produced on the outside in these earphones is quite less, but if the person sitting next to you gives a bit more attention, they can get an idea of what you're listening to. I'll give this a rating of 1 out of 4. So, the official winner of this comparison is Huawei Bluetooth Sport Headphones Lite. With a rating of 3 out of 4, it's not too expensive, has amazing noise cancellation and produces almost zero sound on the outside. If you like the content and would like more quick and true comparisons, please consider subscribing. My name is Jad and I'll see you in the next video.